Hey guys, it's a green egret, and these things are rare over here in Florida. Sorry I'm all jumpy. I don't want to scare the devil. Don't really see these very often. See if it'll let me come in. Yep, that definitely is a green egret. Oh, there he goes. He don't like that. He don't like me come and get close. Wow. I haven't seen one of these birds in 15 years, I think it's been. Very cool. Very cool. See if I can get even a little bit better. There was another one that was flying. They were flying together. I don't know if there's a mating pair out here, but you don't see these guys very often. Wow. Very cool. I'm gonna try and get in because I just want to see if I can get a better picture. Oh, he's letting me come in. He's letting me come in. There he is. That's a green egret, man. I know it. Wow. They're very skittish birds. Look at that guy. Oh, he's getting ready to go. There he goes. Wow. Wow. Green egret. Awesome.